how to insert greater than or equal to in Word on your Mac. So, with your Word document open, you want to hold down Control, Command and Space, and this will bring up this dialog box here where we can select different emojis and symbols. Then next to the search here, you want to select this little box. This expands the character viewer. On the left hand side, you want maths symbols. Then here, you should find the greater than or equal to signs to add to your Word document. You just double click it and it'll add it to the Word document, as you can see. Then we can X that away and carry on typing into our Word document. So that's how to insert the greater than or equal to in Word on your Mac. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.